While everyone was debating the merit of the 16E, there was a little known story that went under the radar by most of tech YouTube, and that is Apple disabling advanced data protection in the UK. For those of you who don't know, advanced data protection fully encrypts all of your iCloud data. That way, not even Apple will be able to get the contents of that data. Apple disabled this after a request from the UK to create a backdoor into iCloud. And for those of you who may not know what a backdoor is, pause. This is a way for third parties to gain access to a system that they otherwise would not have access to. Obviously, when it comes to your cell phone data, this is a big red flag whenever a government is asking for this type of access. Apple in the past has refused to create backdoors for iCloud because essentially, once they create that backdoor, anyone would be able to access it as long as they have a little bit of technical know-how. The fact that Apple disabled this spits in the face of all of their posturing about privacy and data security. Disabling this is such a big deal that even the Trump administration is calling the UK out on this. So it's pretty bad when countries all around the world are saying like, hey, like you guys are doing too much. And I really hope that Apple reverses this decision because advanced data protection is one of the best features that Apple has released. Because Apple disabled this in the UK, only a handful of data would be fully end-to-end encrypted, while there are some other pieces of data that will have the standard level. And when it comes to the standard level, this gives Apple the ability to decrypt the information so that they can see what that data entails. Obviously, this is a huge mistake on Apple's part because that opens the door for so many other countries to request that Apple turn this feature off because let's face it, Apple is never going to create a backdoor because one, it's not in good business for Apple. Two, those lobbyists are going to be working overtime. And I believe that this is an issue that everyone needs to know about. So what do you think? Do you think that Apple should have disabled this feature in the UK? Are you worried that your particular country is going to ask Apple to do the same? Let me know in the comments. I want to thank all 518 of you for subscribing, and it really helps me out. It really makes me glad that I started this journey with you. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.